In this video we will talk about the prostate and how we can keep it healthy. I'm excited to share with you today some natural ways to take care of your prostate and prevent prostate problems. First, let's talk about what is the prostate. The prostate is a gland that is part of the male reproductive system. It is located just below the bladder and in front of the rectum. Its main function is to produce and store fluid that makes up part of the semen. The prostate is connected to the urinary system, which is responsible for the normal function of the bladder and the urethra. When the prostate is healthy, it supports strong urine flow and healthy urinary system function. One of the natural ways to keep your prostate healthy is to use natural ingredients that have antibacterial properties. These ingredients can help prevent prostate problems and support prostate repair. Some examples of these natural ingredients include saw palmetto, pygeum, pumpkin seed oil, and nettle root. In addition to using natural ingredients, having a healthy lifestyle can also help keep your prostate healthy. Exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep can all contribute to maintaining healthy prostate function. A healthy lifestyle can also support healthy libido levels, healthy blood flow, and healthy testosterone levels. Unfortunately, sometimes the prostate can become enlarged, which can cause serious problems. Enlarged prostate is a common problem among men, especially as they age. In some cases, an enlarged prostate can lead to prostate cancer. It's important to know the signs of prostate problems and to get regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Early signs of prostate cancer can include difficulty urinating, blood in the urine or semen, and pain in the back or hips. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical attention right away. To prevent prostate problems and support prostate health, there are some prostate-friendly habits that you can adopt. These habits include staying hydrated, avoiding caffeine and alcohol, and practicing good hygiene. It's also important to avoid habits that can cause prostate problems such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. And now, let's address a common question that many men have. Can masturbation cause prostate cancer? The answer is no. Masturbation does not cause prostate cancer. In fact, some studies have suggested that regular ejaculation can actually help reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is a serious condition, but it's important to remember that it is treatable when caught early. It's estimated that about 1 in 9 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer in their lifetime. But, with early detection and treatment, the survival rate is much higher. Thank you for watching our video about the prostate and how to keep it healthy. For a safe, natural, plant-based solution, please check out the link in the description below. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And please remember to like and subscribe